Sana all.
For honor!
Ada, imigrasyon di.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall.
Wow!
2 hours later.
My love, if you feel to the
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Even death cannot deprive our iron will. War benefits none.
Launch attack!
We are the shield of the people.
Initiate retreat!
This hammer is the most precious legacy. Expectation can be
Gather up the turtles! Back up!
not now.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
March on. Sound the horn of victory. Real men never hide.
Has been slain.
Yan, laban mo. Tayo.
Kill.
Ay, Brody ah. Ito, gusto. Ay, salubungin mo pre. Ultihan mo yan. Ultihan mo.
Oh,
Patay siya. Wala ba ulti?
ult is ready. Back up.
Kaya wala ka ulti. Ito, walang ano, pareho. Sige lang. Higib niyo muna yan, sa radya kang tayo bawi.
Our turret initiate attack.
Puro mga naka-sky piercer yan.
Been destroyed.
Brody, oh, tulak niya dito.
An enemy has been slain. Behind in gold.
A costly victory looks pale in
Enemy has slain the turtle. Please, I need gold.
To protect our homeland is a knight's duty.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Has been slain. Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret. Turret is under attack. Retreat. Initiate retreat.
Even death cannot deprive our iron will.
Good game. We're behind in gold. Launch attack. Initiate retreat.
All glories to the Empire.
Launch attack. Request
Knight.
backup. Okay.
Then die.
Pre, pitas-pitas muna, pre.
Been slain. Attack the Lord.
Kayo ba ba?
Wala na ka pa sila sa Lord. Bigyan niya first Lord, second Lord, ano, kumpas tayo.
Retreat.
Bigyan niya first Lord, ano, second Lord tayo kumpas. Item lang, item.
Oh, we're behind.
So, palalimin niyo nga yung minion dito, pre. Para ano, pangat na. Ay, chill lang ha.
Attack. Initiate retreat.
So, ano, minions dito sa mundo.
Ult is ready.
Pwede dyan tig yung ano, MM o kaya yung mage, pwede na yan. Kahit sino dyan, pre. Ayun na, wala na ulti pareho yun. Ingat sa ano, pre, sa palan. Bata, yung Cobra. Ayun o, pwede yan, pre, tulak mo.
Shut down. Double
Sige, laban niyo, pre, pwede na yan.
triple kill.
Tara. Uy, yung lane niya.
Ult not ready.
Lane, pre, yung top, pre. Sige, lapagan mo. Parang sticker na yun, ha? Pwede yan, tara. Pasabugin niyo. Sige, out na, pre. Dito tayo sa ano, top.
Backup. We're behind in gold.
Hindi tayo, sagad yan.
To protect our homeland is a knight's duty.
Ult is not ready.
Ay, chill lang, ha?
No matter device, it's all here. From the electrifying anthems of the East.
Hindi, sa'yo na. Wag yan. Wait lang.
After night. Your favorite hit of the 2000s. All the way to
Wait lang, pre. Pwede tayo kumta sa ano, sa second lord, pre.
we got you. Use them all and leave the nest. Break guns and nice fight. For the love of music.
Uy, nag-trigger na to. Kalma. Ay, nag-ulti na rin, oh. Ay, no, Brody, pre, maganda. Brody, ah. Chill, ah. Ah, Lamang na tayo dyan.
I do not back out. I lead with
Tara nga, pre, Lord. Pahanap nga ako ng ano, Lucio.
vanguard of the light.
Pahanap nga ako, Luz. Para walang ano. Ito, ano, red, oh.
I stand.
Out na, pre, out na.
Initiate
Chill lang. Saan yan? Sa kabilang side yan, ha? Wait lang, mamaya na, pre. Wait niyo, Lord, pre.
Although I'm
Wait lang, ha.
lost, the warmth of my heart will not dissipate.
retreat.
Chill lang, pre. Wait niyo, Lord. Chill lang. Angat mo dyan, Wang. Angat mo dyan. Sige, angat mo. Mag-imit. Pwede, poke mo, pre.
Legendary. Amazing. Triple kill. Launch
Tara nga, mid nga. Tara, cut tayo. Gumen tayo.
And never hide in the bush.
Dito yung ano, oh. Uy, nasa ano yan, ha? Ingat, ha? Ingat dyan, ingat.
retreat.
Although I'm
Kaya samahan niyo yung MM. Dito na, baba na dito, pre, sa loob.
Quest backup. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Tara dito, Wang.
I stand with the
Ano, tunogin niya. Nandiyan dyan, ha? Yun, oh. Pwede, laban niyo.
Team destroyed a launch attack. Double kill.
Tapos na. Gugulo. Dito.
light's order.
Ito, pumasok, oh. Patay, pre, patay.
March on. Sound the horn of victory.
Try lang. Oy, Lord tayo, ah. Sa Lord, pre. Nasa Lord. Hero nyo. Ito, oh. Hero nyo yung gush. Yung gush, pre. Patayan. Nice one. O yung gush, ah. Ito yung gush, na reset niya yung Lord, pre.
Initiate retreat.
Patay si Wang. Gago. Kuha nila, Lord. Out na. Out na.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Wait, chill lang.
Death cannot deprive.
Kulang pa ako ang H. Tulak mo dito yan. Tumalan na. Gilid mo nga, pre. Gilid mo. May nag-red, pre, ah. Sige lang. Ito, pwede, oh. Sige, ultihan mo. Pwede yan. Tara, pwede mid. Bigyan mo kahit sino, pre. Laban mo. Ayan, patay na, oh. Nice one. Tara, mid dyan, Wang. Hindi pa, pwede isa. Dito tayo, dito. Ito, yung gush, pre, oh.
An enemy has been slain.
O yung ano, pre, katapos, pre. Tower, ah.
Victory!
Sana all.
Mga idol, kung nagandahan ka sa mga katangahan ko, papindot naman ng subscribe button. Advance thank you po, salamat.